In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Notion Premium. If you're ready to unlock advanced features like higher upload limits, more sharing options, and powerful collaboration tools, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to upgrade from within your workspace. With Notion open and your workspace visible, look to the left-hand sidebar. That's where your main controls live. Click on the Settings area in the left pane. Depending on your version, this may appear as Settings or Settings and Members. Opening this panel is the key, because it's where your account, workspace, and billing controls are organized. Inside the Settings panel, find the option labeled Upgrade Plan. Sometimes it appears near Billing or Plans, but the wording Upgrade Plan is what you're looking for. Select that option to move into the plan selection screen. Here, you'll see the available premium tiers. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions so you pick the tier that matches your needs, whether you want premium for individual productivity or for team collaboration. Once you've decided, choose the plan you want and click Upgrade. You may also see a toggle for monthly versus yearly billing. Yearly plans can offer savings, while monthly gives flexibility. Pick what fits your budget and how long you plan to use the premium features. If you're part of a shared workspace, confirm you're upgrading the correct workspace to avoid paying for the wrong one. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details, add your card information, and any required billing address fields. Make sure your billing country and postal code match what your bank expects, because mismatches can cause a payment failure. It's also a good idea to complete this step on a secure, private network for your peace of mind. When you're ready, submit the payment. The system will process it, and once it goes through successfully, your upgrade is complete. You should see immediate confirmation inside Notion, and you'll typically receive a confirmation email as well. If your new features don't appear right away, try refreshing your workspace or signing out and back in. And if a card is declined, double-check the numbers and expiration date, or try a different payment method. That's all there is to it. By clicking Settings on the left pane, selecting Upgrade Plan, choosing the plan that suits you, and entering your payment details, you'll have Notion Premium ready to go. Enjoy the enhanced tools and a smoother workflow, and make the most of your upgraded workspace.